Okay guys, Swiss Moist Delani Python Dinada Sana. You're welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn how you can use enumerate function in Python to get both index and the value of a list or a sequence. First of all, I do really apologize for not uploading the video consistently, as my promise and commitment to upload a new video on every Tuesday, but sometimes things get busy and I actually fail to do that. But a good news is that I have actually purchased a new microphone which is yet to be delivered on my destination country, but I hope from January I'll actually start to produce quality video with a quality audio. So let's get in the class. So as I told you that we are going to learn how we can use enumerate built-in function to get the value and the index of um, an item. Okay, so we can say by definition enumerate function in Python is a built-in function used to iterate over a sequence such as list, tuple, while tracking both an index and the current value. So it's not good to talk too much. Let's go and do a simple example. Okay, I'll assume that we have a list of fluids and we actually want to get it both value and the index. In short, this function will help you when you want to do list manipulation, because you'll actually want to manipulate an item based on the index. Okay, so if you're doing data analysis, I think this is a great concept for you. Okay, because most of the time you'll actually want to retrieve item of sequence and do some operation like updating or maybe deleting an item and so on. So here we are actually going to write a simple example. So we actually going to create a simple list with the name fluids. Okay, and inside the fluids we are actually going to put in some few names of fluids like apple, orange. Okay, we can say avocado. Okay, let's say add another fruit, berries. Okay, blackberries. That's cool. So this is actually how we can use Python enumerate built-in function. So we can say for index fluid in enumerate, right? Then after we pass in the name of a sequence we want to enumerate. Then after we want to print. Okay. So we're going to use Python format, print, can say index. So this is index. Then this is fruit. So it should be something like that. So this, will have an index of a current list being traversed, and this will actually have a value of of a list of the current list traversed. So if we click run here, we can see something like that. You can see index 0 is apple. Of course, it's right. This is at index 0. Index 1, orange. Index 2, avocado. And the index 3 is berries. As I've told you that if you're doing data analysis, or if you're doing, you want to do some data manipulation of your sequence, this is a key, because from here we can update, or we can append this item based on the index. So thank you guys. This actually sum up the end of this video on how you can use enumerate built-in function in Python to get both value and index. Okay, thank you. So before I close up this session, let me thank you in 8 different international language. Asante sana, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup, muchas gracias, muito obrigado, kamza hamida aita, danke. Thank you, keep on watching. I hope to see you in my coming tutorials.